Attaching a crochet piece worked in rows. Unlike pieces worked in rounds, the ones worked in rows don't have all their edges even. To correct this, I slip stitched all around the edges of the pocket. This gives me a tidy edge and a place to make my stitches without making it look messy. Secure the piece you want to attach to your crochet or amigurumi with sewing pins. Thread the long tail left at the end on your embroidery needle. Catch a loop on the main piece, that it's under the smaller piece or really close to its edge. Insert the needle under it. Pull the yarn. Insert the needle under the slip stitch worked at the edge and pull the yarn to the outside of the piece you're attaching. Insert your needle into the next stitch in the opposite direction as before. Pull the yarn. Insert your needle under a loop on the main piece and pull the yarn. Insert the needle under the last slip stitch used, pull the yarn to the outside of the smaller piece. As you keep doing this movement, you'll see that the slip stitches start to turn to the outside, hiding all bumps that might still be seen and giving a finished and pretty look. Continue to attach the smaller piece to the main piece, inserting the needle into the next slip stitch, grabbing a loop on the main piece, inserting the needle back into the same slip stitch, and pulling the yarn perpendicularly to the edge of the smaller piece. Repeat until the end. Because today I'm attaching a pocket, I don't need to attach the top. To finish off, I insert the needle into the previous slip stitch instead of the next, and to the inside of the main piece, where I finish off and weave in ends. The pocket is attached and the edges are clean and have a finished look.